Nog 'n betoging deur Zimbabwese burgers buite hulle ambassade in Pretoria.
The thing is, we are concerned.
En dit was skynbaar vandag hulle gelukkige dag toe die ambassadeur wel uitgekom en hulle toegespreek het.
Can you please tell us what's happening in Zimbabwe?
Well, today we have a very peaceful Zimbabwe. We are actually surprised that you guys are in the streets. Harare is working normally. The situation is peaceful. Obviously, there are some of our citizens, and I believe you belong to that group, that have reason to believe that certain things are not working the way you would want them to do. The government is listening.
Can I ask?
Can you just
No, we cannot allow. However, comrades Ahoy, we cannot allow the ambassador to pick this. We call it this nonsense because you know that our brothers and our fathers are being beaten back home.
You see nothing wrong with that. And then today there's actually a major shutdown, and it's the third one. And you're saying things are going on well in Zimbabwe. Everything is going on peacefully. People are working. No one is working in Zimbabwe because 90% of the people are actually unemployed. We are graduates here, but we have been reduced to be waitresses. Yet we are graduates. We have graduates in Zimbabwe who are selling airtime. Are you getting me, Mr. Ambassador? Do something about the country. Then you say everything is okay. Apart from that, we are saying Mugabe must go. We are done with Mugabe.
Ambassadeur Moyo het die memorandum in ontvangs geneem en beloof om dit aan die Zimbabwese regering te oorhandig.